Welcome to another episode, guys. So from memory, I said in the last episode that my mum was coming down from, or up from Victoria. So yes, my mum is here. We have been staying at my sister's house in Brisbane. So we've just been chilling out. We've had day trips to Coolangatta, Tweed Heads. We had a day at Surfers Paradise, and now we are in Noosa. So we decided as a family, book an Airbnb in Noosa, and we have done exactly that. So pretty much this episode is going to be about Noosa, our experiences with Noosa, and what we think. So anyway, bring on Noosa. All right guys, cool bananas. Noosa accommodation. So like I mentioned before, we got an Airbnb, and it's just this place here. It was $500 for 2 nights, so 2 nights, 500 bucks. It's pretty darn good. So we're just in this lower section here, and it's pretty much, it's just a miniature house. So you got your kitchen, your bathroom, 3 bedrooms, 2 double beds, a futon, and a couple of singles as well. So yeah, pretty happy with that. And we're actually we're 500 meters from one of the main streets in Noosa, which is Hastings Street. So all we've got to do is walk down this road, and there's a little track that you take, and yeah, you're on the main street in 5 minutes. So yeah, really happy with the accommodation. So anyway, we'll give you a little look inside. There's a mother duck.
Did you speak to it? Hey!
It's a pretty simple kitchen. I'm just going to pretend you're not here. Kitchen, lounge room, a couple of couches, TV, air conditioning, and yeah, just a bedroom. So 1 bedroom for my sister and her fiance, our bedroom, little bathroom, and the back bedroom. So to me it looks like it's a garage, and they've just converted it into a bedroom. So nephew is very messy. Tristan, make your bed. Oh yeah, $500 in Noosa. Can't complain about that. So just going for a quick stroll down the main street now, through this cool little track down here. So very rainforesty, and you've got some residential areas all along here. So a quite enjoyable walk. So this is pretty cool. We saw this last night, but it's like a bit of a beach bar. Everyone's standing around in there, you know, bare feet on the sand, and it had DJs and live bands, and you know, it was a bit of a party. So cool little feature for the Noosa beachfront. Noosa main beach is pretty incredible. Just having a bit of a walk with the family. It's about 9 AM. You can see all the coastline over there. That's what me and Rachel drove on a couple of weeks ago. It's all heading up towards Rainbow Beach and Double Island Point. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the morning, just cruise around, go for walks, and then yeah, we might head up to the National Park a bit later on. So you can see just over there, there's another cool beach as well, just past this rocky outcrop. We've just come to a place called the Spit, and I guess it's where the ocean meets the estuary. So it's pretty cool. Good little walk, not far from the main street. So we've just gone back to get the Troopy, and we really like this this area here. So I got the car so we could grab the fishing rod. So I've got my nephew and my brother-in-law, also Rachel, having a little fish now. There's a few other little fishermen here too. And the sunset here is meant to be incredible. So the sunset is over this estuary here. So we'll probably hang out here for a few hours, have a fish, see how we go. and then yeah, we'll take it from there. No luck on the fishing, guys. The girls are going shopping, so the men are hanging out. Me and Tristan's. Alright, so after circling the car park for about 45 minutes, we got ourselves a car park at the Noosa National Park. So it's just me and the nephew, Tristan. We're going to go for a little stroll and yeah, just check out the national park. It's really busy, so it means it's really good. So yeah, we'll go have a squeeze and we'll bring you guys along. So just come into our first little stop or beach, and it's Tea Tree Bay. The most easterly point of the Noosa National Park, so we're just coming up to a place called Hell's Gates. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. So you can see it here. It's got a bit of a bite coming out of the coastline there. So let's go check it out. Alright, so here we are, the most easterly point of Noosa National Park. There's nothing out there but just big ocean and big swell. I imagine the sunrise would be incredible too, so if you guys can get here on sunrise, I would highly recommend that for sure. And also the landscape starts to change. A lot less trees, more grass. It's almost like a mountain plateau, but it's not. Anyway, Tristan's excited. I'm excited. I reckon the walk has taken us about an hour to get to where we are, so highly recommend. So you can see at the start of the walk we started here and we just done this blue track all the way to Hell's Gate. So it's only a small part of the national park really. You still got, that's just a big beach, so you can walk all that beach. A few other sort of rugged coastlines here, and 1, 2, 3 inland tracks as well. So yeah, it's an awesome place, isn't that right, Teacup? Okay guys, walk done and dusted. It's taken about 2 hours, maybe 3 hours, somewhere around there. We're both knackered. Tristan, you knackered?
Yeah.
Tristan's knackered, I'm knackered, and we're hungry, so we might go get some tucker. But definitely recommend that walk. It was incredible. We'll speak to you guys soon. Hi guys, so just yeah, we're at one of the main streets now. I think as far as I know, Noosa has 2 kind of main sort of busy streets. this is one of them. And the reason why we're on this one and not the other one is because it's got lots of restaurants. So we're going to cruise up and down.
It's a bit quieter because we went on the other one last night.
Yeah, it's a bit quieter. So this street's back from the beach, the other street is on the beach, and we had dinner there last night, and it's really good, it's beautiful, it's awesome, but very fancy. We decided we'll check this street out now. They got a cinema, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, we'll just go for a little stroll and see what there is.